It's going to be a quick Bitcoin update. This is on the 1 hour time frame. I've adjusted the box because now we have more information. Right now it's towards the very bottom of the box. Now, if the price action does come down, I would really like to see it bounce right here. This was explained on yesterday's live stream. If it does, this is much stronger for plan A to go for the bullish thought process. This is our plan B, which did not play out, but it could though. It could come up here and then just go straight up. This will be our plan B. This is our weaker, because then we have a very high chance that when it turns over, it'll just dump. So right now our plan A is potentially playing out. This is when the price action was way up here. Now, if the price action does come up here, or rather down, and bounces here, comes up, and then retraces, so it'll be about 50% of this move, which will be about here. If it comes back down and does not bounce, this is a very high probability. We're going to come down here. We're going to break this level. We're also going to come for this. And then now our next support is this blue level, 78,258. If this does not, well, hopefully it bounces, because, we're all ready for it to go long. But if it does not bounce here, now what we're looking for is these areas. Let's go to a higher time frame. Let's go to a daily. We can see that we have all this as support if it comes down. All these levels is support. So every time there's a candle body close or a candle wick, those are all supports. The stronger support, in my opinion, are the candle body closes. Now, we do have some levels in here, and I've gone over this on several of the live streams. But just to kind of make it quick, if the price action breaks this blue level, once again, it's not going to go straight down. More than likely it won't. Granted, it has before, just straight down, straight down. Hopefully it'll come down, bounce off of here, come up, get a rejection, come down. And I'm looking for a possible area of 71,780 to hit before potentially reversing and going up. So right now it's not looking strong. Bitcoin hasn't been looking strong for a while now, but a lot of people are going short. And this is one of the things that I was kind of afraid of if we were to break these levels. And everybody's going short, and the market makers are just having a field day, really. It comes down and then it just shoots up. And then it looks like it's rolling over and then just shoots up. And then here we got a bearish retest. And then, of course, just shoots up nice right here. And then here's another rollover. And right now, price action is extremely boring. So this could be possibly another rollover. But one thing, it's always level by level. We never know what's going to happen. So definitely be careful with any entries you do. Of course, on the weekends, there is less volatility or less people in the market. Most people are in the market Monday through Friday, but crypto is nonstop. Crypto can trade anytime it wants. So just be very careful. Of course, we'll be doing a live stream at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday, and then also a midnight stream on Monday. So that's all I got. So 12 hours, no, not 12 hours, but anyway, that's all I got. I do think, guys, I've been in the charts all day and just waiting for moves, We did just recently post a chart setup for the VIP group. And again, we are waiting for the 15-minute candle to close. So if that candle closes underneath our level, then it's ready. But everything's dependent on Bitcoin right now. Absolutely everything. That's all I got. I do thank you guys very much. And we'll see you on the next one. Take care.